All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the stellar community. Happy Saturday first and foremost. Hope you guys have a great weekend. But yeah, what a day it has been yet again for XLM and a lot of other coins. You're looking at Saturday being a huge day for a lot of altcoins, and I'm sure a lot of people in the crypto space right now are losing sleep because what's happening in the crypto markets. You can't make this up, guys. You're seeing life-changing gains being made in just a matter of 2 weeks, and it just goes back to what we've been discussing on this specific channel day in day out. Throughout the boring momentum, that all it takes is a few weeks and market can start picking up. And here we are, a perfect example. But XLM up 62.6% after breaking that key resistance yesterday, which we spoke about. The price of XLM is just moving very, very fast. Let's take a closer look at it, see what is happening, what are some next targets. Before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, 51.2 cents, guys. So XLM has made its way above 50 cents. Let that sink in. As mentioned, up 61.2% in USD, also 63.2% in Bitcoin. Compared it with the market cap at $15.3 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about 11.1 billion. Insane gains being made. Stellar in terms of, utility projects. Is one of the top performers over the course of the last 2 weeks, believe it or not. What it has been able to achieve in a short span of time is, really, really great to see. And I think, also, like, what I think is there's a short squeeze occurring for XLM. So all the shorts that were piling up are just completely getting wrecked. And I'm sure if you know what short squeeze is, things can go very parabolic. And I would not be surprised if that is a huge factor for XLM right now. But let's take a closer look at it, see what is happening. So you look at the dominance index this morning. Dominance index went down to the likes of 58.39%, guys. 58.39%. So is this a start to an altcoin season? You guys know I've projected that altcoin season starts once we start pulling down in the dominance quite significantly, but this is a significant drop, and yet you're seeing multiple different altcoins up 30, 40, 50%, and you guys can get the idea as to how fast this market is moving. And this is all due to the dominance going down, believe it or not, because if you're looking at Bitcoin actually saw a little bit of a minor pullback. What we have seen in the past is when dominance is high, Bitcoin pulls down, you do see altcoins pulling down more. But this time around, what happened was Bitcoin dominance went down quite sharply, and Bitcoin saw just a little bit of a minor pullback because, of course, it's the weekend. On the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation than usual because of the CME futures being closed. But, so altcoins have, ascended. And I'm sure if you are an altcoin lover and you've been accumulating altcoins over the course of the last, few months or years, this is the time that you've been waiting for, because altcoins, look at it on the weekly time frame. This tells you everything you need to know. Weekly and, of course, the monthly time frame. You're starting to see how much altcoins are up, and, some of these big market cap coins are, moving, and they're moving very, very fast. But let's take a look at what's happening with XLM right now. So I'm going to take you guys down to the weekly time frame to really understand this from a bigger perspective. So XLM, where is the chart? There we go. There we are, guys. So, people were calling me absolutely crazy. And yes, I repeat that. People were calling me crazy over the course of the last time when I say, the importance of breaking out of this key resistance at 24 cents is massive, because we could fly very fast. Pretty much after the resistance at 44 cents, where we were yesterday. Yes, guys, we were here at yesterday at the 44 cents. And I said, once you break out of here, things can move up very fast for XLM because there's not much resistance. And guess what we're looking at? That's exactly what's happening right now. So after we broke, we did come up. So after we broke out the 24 cents key resistance, we actually went up to that 45 cents price point. And we did see that a little bit of a resistance around that range because, of course, that is resistance, and that is going to come as a little bit of a hurdle for the price. But, the volume is just too much, and the price has skyrocketed towards yet again a new yearly high. And I think we're about to smash past the previous yearly high, previous cycle high very fast. People were calling me crazy at that specific thing when I was saying, we could see the price moving up very fast, and people were like, there's no way possible. And here we are. And there's a lot of haters that are just speechless over the course of the last 2 weeks, and I love seeing that, to be quite frank with you. Haters that come and hate for no reason, that are not seeing coins performing like meme coins, the ones that have absolutely zero patience are the ones that tend to comment these type of things. Why is the price price not going up, these projects are dead, utility projects are dead, but utility projects have just showed them, that's completely the opposite from what these guys think. But anyhow, looking at the breakout, I just want you guys to focus significantly on that specific breakout. From 24.3 cents breakout, XLM went up 130%. You guys can't make it up. You can't make this up anymore. Look at that 44 cents resistance. We were kind of bouncing around there yesterday. Let me kind of show you guys this. So you can see we actually bounced back and forth around the 44 cents. So it did play as a little bit of a resistance, but once we broke out of there, here we are, guys. So once we broke out of the 44 cents price point, it went up an additional 24%. XLM is showing us moves that we are used to seeing. If you're a crypto OG, I'm sure you guys know that crypto tends to move like this very fast, and XLM showing us exactly that. But now let's kind of go back down memory lane. If you're kind of going down memory lane, you are seeing once again a little bit more resistance coming in the way for XLM, as you can see right here for yourself. And now there is actually, let's kind of go back to the previous cycle as well, and this is daily time frame. So yeah, we have some resistance around here. If this resistance is able to break out, like I said to you guys before, 64 cents price point for XLM is not a major shocker at this point. I think we could start seeing something like that occurring for XLM quite fast. But look at this candle on the daily. This daily candle is beyond bullish, to say the least. And if you're looking at it from the November 4th price point, I'm sure everyone regrets not picking up XLM, but that's the way people think when you tend to miss something. And if you're looking at it from that specific price point, XLM is up 500%. I can't even speak on this anymore, guys. A 500% increase for XLM in just a short span of time. That's how fast this market moves. And I think XLM at this point is going to start reaching the likes of its all-time highs faster than we know it, because look how XRP is moving. And not only the XRP's price in terms of investors' confidence, and whales, remember, whales were gonna get really bullish once we broke out of this key resistance. I've been speaking about this confirmation. I said this is going to be a confirmation for a lot of people to keep an eye out on XLM, especially the people that kind of understand this market, how the market moves, how technical analysis works. Once we break out of this resistance, I've been speaking about this every single time I've covered on XLM. And here we are. You can clearly see the importance of that, move. But what a great day! I'm sure the XLM community have not slept over the course of the last, 2 to 3 days. But guys, get some rest. I know you guys are making life-changing gains, and you guys cannot sleep. And I can relate to that, of course. I've seen that movement happen to myself as well. With certain projects, and I tend to kind of just stay awake. But trust me, you just get some sleep and come back to the screens. The screens are not going anywhere, and obviously have some stop losses in place in case things were to turn around, so your profits are safe. But the way things are going right now, if we see yet again another daily candle close, you never know what we can expect over the next 24 to 48 hours for XLM. But what a great time it has been for this community. You guys deserve it. You guys deserve it more than you know it. And when you do see these type of life-changing gains, though, do lock some profits. I cannot stress this enough. But love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.